I feel like you can see through this motherfucker right here. See that? So it means that Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy Luis, 25 locs. Please, guys, don't kill me. I just woke up from a long ass nap. Oh my God, I was gone about 2.5 hours. I needed that. But anyway, guys, so if you see any sleep in my eyes, please don't kill me. Like, I just woke up and I wanted to make this video for y'all. And I said, fuck it, I don't really care. Like, I'm just gonna have to do it. You know what I'm saying? Because this is me, I'm a real person. Like, no fake shit, none of that. Another thing, guys, don't pay attention to this shit right here. It's getting out of control. Last week, I got this one over here. I feel like you can still see it. And I got this one about 2 days ago. Like, it's just ridiculous. So if you got any medicine that I can buy, like any cream, whatever that you guys think is good for me, let me know, because I'm definitely buying whatever you guys tell me on the comments. I don't like having this shit. This is right here, this is out of control. If you see my face, a clean face, I don't be having bumps, none of that. But anyway, guys, today we're gonna talk about another thing. It's not about my bump, it's gonna be about my Wicks. It's gonna be about, I think I need more lights over here. As you guys can see, I'm in the bathroom. So today, I'm gonna be talking about what are the consequences of getting your Wicks after you already have locs. So as you guys know, I believe that you guys know that, but I got my Wicks about almost 2 years. And after that, I haven't basically retouched my Wicks. As you guys can see, I got a few of them that they are coming undone. You see, I feel like you can see through this motherfucker right here. The one in the front, you see how they're getting basically separated and all that. Can you see that? That means that I need to do some crochet needle again. I gotta fluffing it out like I did the first time. You know what I'm saying? And put them together again. Or by the time they're gonna come undone. So that's how it is. That's how it is. But at the roof over here, you know, I don't have the issues anymore because they already combined. So I feel like in 2.5, almost in 2 years, my hair have grown from here to almost up here. Because like, you're not able to see it anymore. So you are only able to see it from up here. You see it? So basically my hair have grown almost this much, almost in 2 years. So that's a lot, you know what I mean? But almost all of them have the same issues. You know what I'm saying? Especially the one in the back. The one in the back have that issue. Look at that. I definitely gotta do some body work on that one ASAP. This one is pretty much the same, but only over here. And I got this over here. It's the one in the front. You see, you can see these right here. So I gotta do some body work. So my suggestion for me, you can go ahead and have locs like I did, and then have Wicks. That's cool, that's normal. It's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be lit. But my suggestion is, if you know that you love Wicks, that you always wanted to have big ass Wicks like mine, and you have an afro or fro, whatever you guys call it. So if you have like an afro and you wanna start over, or you want to start from the bottom, that's the best idea for me and the best suggestion, because you're not gonna have this problem that I have with almost all my Wicks. So like this one is Basically one of my favorite because it's thick as fuck. You see like through the thick, and it don't really have that much of that problem, but you still can see it. So it means that I gotta really get it, that I gotta start working on that, because every time that I wash my hair, they just become worse and worse. So I gotta get that out the way before it is too late, or otherwise my hair is gonna start like ripping apart and all that, and I don't want that. But anyway, guys, so this is what I have to talk to you about. Thank you for always being there one more time. So I got some plans for y'all that if you guys stick around and keep showing me love, y'all gonna see what I got for y'all. So this is Luis 25 Locs. Thank you for always showing me love, like I said. So if you wanna have like Wicks and you have a fro, go ahead and start from the bottom so you don't have this issue over here. And if you already have locks and you don't want to cut it, welcome to the team. Do what I did. Put them together, fluffing it out, pull them together, and boom, you're gonna have Wicks in one day or whatever it takes you to do it. So anyway, I love my Wicks. Nobody gonna make me cut them. I don't care how they look. This is me. Like, this is my hair. Like, I love it for real. And if you guys fuck with me, if you guys roll with what I do, please stay tuned. Love what I do, and this is a blessing. You feel me? That I'm not bald. I'm not really offending no bald people, but this over here is a blessing. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Sheesh.